If you do find chunks of matter that didn't mix well or didn't break down when you were mixing it earlier, this is a nice time to do it too, and just crush it up and spread it around in this. And I simply, for example, pop out my grape. Remember, containers are cheap and your plants are very expensive, so if you can't get them out by simply squeezing them, it's not a bad idea to simply cut the container and throw it away, or recycle it, I should say. Now I'll take some more, put it over the top of this. I've got it close enough so that it will crawl up the chain link fence. I like to plant my tomatoes about a good, at least 2.5 feet apart, maybe more, depending how much room you have. I like to pick off this lower leaf if I can, get them nice and deep in there, and mount it up to the trunk so it creates all those extra little roots out of the side. I'm going to add these little peppers along here.